Today we're going to add 724 and 396. To start with, I'm going to estimate it, and I'm going to go 724 is closer to 700, and 396 is closer to 400. So 700 plus 400 equals 1100. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the question. So to start with, I'm going to draw 700s, and I'm going to draw squares to represent the hundreds. And then I need 2 10 sticks and 4 ones. I'm going to switch color so I can tell the numbers apart. And I'm going to draw the second number. So I'm going to need 3 hundreds, 9 tens, and I'm drawing them in nice lines so that it's easy for me to distinguish how many. So 5 and 4 is the 9. Now I need 6 ones. Okay, so now that I've drawn it, I need to start adding them together. So I have 4 ones and I have 6 ones here, and I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I need to regroup and get rid of all my little ones and add a 10 to our tens column. And I have 0 left. Now I'm going to add up the tens. I have 2 and 9, so 2 plus 9 equals 11, and 1 more is 12. Now that's too many to write down there, so I need to regroup. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to circle all of them, and I'm going to turn them into 100. Now I have 2 tens left. And now we're going to go out to the hundreds, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Can't put 11 down there, so I need to regroup after 10. So 1 and 7 is 8, 9, 10. Cross them out, and I'm going to turn it into 1,000. And I have 100 left, and I have 1,000. So 1,120, and my estimation was 1,100 or 1,100, and so my estimation was pretty close. I'm now going to calculate it. So I'm going to write it out so that I have the numbers this way, because it's easier for me to add. 4 plus 6 is 10, so I put the 0 down, and I regroup and make another 10. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So I put the 2 tens there and the 10 tens over here. So now I have 7 hundreds, and 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 1,120, and look at that, they match. So I know that that's a really good chance that I must be correct. I'm going to explain my drawing. So I used a cube for the thousands. I used squares for the hundreds. Sticks or lines for the tens. And dots for the ones. Now I'm going to make a real life equation. So the question is asking 724 plus 396. Now I could say that at the skating carnival there were there were 724 people that watched on Saturday, and there were 396 people on Sunday. In total, there were 1,120 people